Hey everybody, welcome back. Episode 3, let's go. All right guys, it's from bumper time. Are you guys ready to have your mind blown? Check out this ridiculous front bumper. Man, is that thing sweet or what? I'll show you real quick here. See how much better that fender fits around the light? Also, check that bad boy out. Fix this side as well. Look how much better those look. But now we have this fiberglass front bumper, and of course, like last time, it doesn't fit. So we have to make it fit. See, we got a problem here. This, we need to attach it to the fender up in here, and there's not enough lip on this edge to attach it to the fender so that that will sit flush. So we're gonna have to pull this bumper back off and create a fiberglass lip across this area. That way we can attach it in multiple places along the fender, and that way it will hold it flush going down the road with the road vibration. Okay, so here we go. Remove the bumper and get to work. The bumper's off, and we added some fiberglass to this edge. The fender will sit here, and we can put some holes through it and attach it throughout this whole area so that the fender won't pop in or pop out when you're going down the road.
So all I'm doing here is sanding the new fiberglass lip so that it's nice and flat and it'll meet up just perfectly.
All right, so we got our edges built for where they meet the fenders, and we got our bumper put on, so hang tight, I'll show you. Man, check this out. Nice and flush. Nice and flush on this side. Starting to look like a car again. Now, if you haven't noticed in the previous videos that it does sit up like a monster truck, we're definitely gonna fix that. We're gonna lower this car down to get rid of this fender gap, as well as change the wheels. But we've got quite a bit of body work to do, so we're gonna start sanding. We've already started, but we're gonna do some more. Lots and lots more. Here's a really cool trick if you're ever block sanding and your sandpaper gets gummed up. Take a wire brush and it helps get the clumps out of your sandpaper so it's still good and you don't have to replace it quite as often.
I gotta get rid of this hood scoop. Somehow I gotta sand around it. Hey, it's gone. I better sand it before it comes back.
Three days later.
So guys, we've been sanding on this car for 3 days. And finally, all of its dirty little secrets are starting to expose themselves to us. And we have a really cool how-to video coming up that's gonna be something that most people could do with some basic tools, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.